Hi guys, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. Today, I will show you how to feed hundreds of Instagram accounts, just like real users. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. As you can see, I've already added about 30 Instagram accounts to the software. I will grow a series of Instagram accounts that interact just like real use. Here the software will support you to interact according to the script. You can add interactive scripts and choose actions such as reading notifications. And interactions by keyword, interactions by account. So after you add the following actions, you'll save the script. Next day, you will choose for yourself the interactive action script and choose Instagram account. And finally, you're going to press the start button. Now, let's follow the software will support you to feed your account. Interact Instagram like real users how offline. The software can support you grow unlimited Instagram accounts. You can grow thousands, even millions of Instagram accounts on the software. If you are a business that wants to advertise on Instagram platform, if you want to raise a support account, you can make money on Insta. Please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp below the description. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video.